Hi kids! Today we will make a craft, namely sound K is for cat. Now before we make, prepare the equipment first. What we need, there are paper, pencil, a glue, and this one triangles for ears, and this one there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pipe cleaner, and this is for the eyes, and the circle for the nose, and this is sound K. Okay, now the first we write this sentence. K is for cat. K is for cat. K is for cat. Very good. Now take the sound K and give a glue. Then finish, stick the sound K on the white paper like this. Tap, tap, and then take triangle for ears. Give a glue. Stick one. Take again. Give a glue. Stick 2 ears. Very good. Now this one for the eyes. Give a glue. Stick here. Give a glue and stick here. Now take this one, the small circle. Give a glue for the nose. Then take this one for mustache. Give a glue and stick here until the pipe cleaner it's like mustache. This has finished. K is for cat. Happy trying, kids. Bye-bye.